ano ang pwede namin makita para maging Mr. Camarines Nordic Pity Boy ka?
So, first of all is, I will do my best to be, ang gagawin ko po ang lahat para maging worth it or maging Mr. Pretty Boy Camarines Norte, and it's okay if I failed, but at least I tried and then I did my best. But if that's life, that's life. Thank you.
Okay, candidate number 9, good afternoon.
Good afternoon po, sir.
So in your generation, ano yung common na na-encounter that is very susceptible in your generation? What particular problems facing and challenging your generation?
So, this generation is, we all, parang ang nangyayari po is, ang mga youth is walang boses, kumbaga, na-underestimate ng mga matatanda. So, for me, as my advocacy, ay di naman po sa advocacy, as a youth empowerment, we should speak up as a youth, so we need to do our best and we make sure it is right. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.